Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can apply echo voice effect on Kinemaster. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project on my Kinemaster application, and before I apply echo voice effect to this video, I'm going to show you the original video. Okay.
Alright, everyone,
This
we're
is for
back.
the original video, and I'm going to apply echo voice effect to this video. If we want to apply voice effect, we can click on our video, and then we're going to scroll down until we find a voice effect or voice changer. This one, select the voice changer, and then you're going to scroll down until you find echo, extreme echo, or short echo. This is how the extreme echo sounds like, and I'm going to apply the short echo to show you. Okay, and I'm gonna go with this one guys. And now the echo voice effect has been applied to my video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to apply echo voice effect on Kinemaster. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.